What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video. Just recorded the video on the gratitude that doesn't really express Nike's gratitude to us to just allow us to spend thousands on another shoe that's like what we really want. But thanks anyway, Nike.
Good try.
Wanted to go ahead and get this video done because tomorrow, I think the gratitudes are sitting up there. I think that video is going to go up tomorrow on Saturday. Those arrived day before yesterday. These arrived today, so I wanted to make the video with the baby ones too. And but Hesper and I think are going to maybe wear all of these tomorrow. So she'll wear hers. These are not gratitudes. We're going to talk about these in just a second. Before we go any further, though, a word from our sponsor. This is going to be a follow-up from the last one. It was Romans. What do you remember what it was? Romans 3:20.
I almost said that.
And I don't have it in front of me. Peyton's phone is locked, and I want to try to fumble through it and unlock it. But it's about how the Old Testament and the law is not our measurement of righteousness, and our ability to adhere to it and be perfect with it is not our measure of righteousness to God. What is our measure of righteousness to God? Who's our sponsor? Jesus. So we can go back. So this is the good news of that part. That's not our measurement. And why is it not our measurement? We can go back to our oldie but a goodie. Matthew 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross. He looks up to God and he says, my God, why have you forsaken me? Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. And it's because Jesus took all of the punishment for all of our shortcomings, because we will never, that's what the Old Testament is about. How many times we fail. We just can't do it. We're unable to do it on our own. And instead, Jesus came, lived a perfect life, and then took the punishment on the cross for us so that we don't have to. Thank you so much, Jesus. That's gratitude. I mean, really, it's gratitude toward us and giving us a perfect sacrifice. Nike, give us something even close to perfect, please. A little closer than those, but I'm going to take those. All right.
Maybe less expensive?
And less expensive, like free, because we spend thousands with you. And at least I do. I said it in the last video. I have 17, 18, 19, or 20 pairs of shoes in the other room waiting to be sold. I just need to get rid of them. And I still have stacks of boxes here that have been unopened and new shoes. I got these back. I gave these to Jesse. I did my video on these like 2 years ago. And I gave them to Jesse for Christmas. I gave them to Haley to give to her boyfriend for Christmas. And they've been hurting his toes, so he gave them back to me. I wore them a few times. Hesper doesn't like them. She said they look like old man shoes. I like them all right. They're pretty comfortable. All right, so this is not the Jordan 11 gratitude. Why is this in a white box, Peyton?
Because it's not gratitude.
Yes, but why is it in a white box?
Because it's different.
Because it's a women's shoe.
Oh yeah.
It's a women's shoe. I had thought about getting these, and I was going to, and then I finally just made the decision. I'm getting the gratitudes. I'll probably get more than one. I really don't need this. Although we got some blue, like the blue felt Jordan 11s. We got the animal print that had like cow, white, black and white on the lower of the mudguard. And those were Jordan 11 highs that just didn't go. I thought these were going to go. They didn't really. I got these on the shelf, which is nice. I was able to go to the store, look at them, and get these for Hesper, not for me. I think the 12 women's were sold out everywhere, but I wasn't even trying. At that point, I'm like, I'm getting the gratitudes. Hesper just told me she wanted these more, and we can talk a little bit more about why she wants them more. We've both seen these in person. I actually opened this box because I've seen this on the internet since then. I didn't hear about it beforehand. But since then, I've seen it that a lot of these were coming creased out of the box. The patent leather was coming creased out of the box. So I've opened this already and looked at it. This is the Jordan 11 Neapolitan.
I was there.
You were there, Paige.
I was there.
All right, let's see if we can get this stuff out of the way. All right, what do I like? What do I dislike about this?
The pink I like.
Yes, I do like the pink. I don't think I minded the pink on that. Maybe not so creamy pink.
This reminds me of sushi.
Like, give me a little bit better pink. Is that black?
Brown.
It's brown? Okay.
Yeah.
So this is brown. Is it coming up on the camera that this is brown?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I'm glad I didn't get these now because the brown just isn't doing it for me. What I do like about these is this upper. This is a really soft, really nice upper. Feel that?
I do know why I think Mel got this one.
Why?
I think she wanted it because, one, it's turning fall and she has a lot of cute fall clothes, and and two, I think she just liked the pink.
Yeah, she liked the pink and she didn't like the milky bottom.
Yeah.
So I do really like these materials up here. I think I like them a little bit better than the tumbled leather there.
Yeah.
And this upper is, the
Cream.
nylon lace stays, but this leather upper is better than the Legends. I think, if I remember correctly, better than the original Columbia's in '96 too. This just feels really good. This is the same leather in the back right here toward the heel, but this is really nice. It's really soft.
Will that wear easily?
I think a wear fine. This will probably not clean up better than that because it's softer and more porous. It's not as slick.
Yeah.
We do get a 23 on the back of these, which is good. If we got a 45, I'd be unhappy. Let me give this one a smell. Jordan 11s just have a great smell. Oh, this one is stronger than the last one. Good. Yes,
Yeah.
That's how a Jordan 11 is supposed to smell. Jordan 11s just go way back. And what do we have to do on the Jordan 11, Peyton?
You have to tap it.
Yeah, you have to tap the carbon fiber shank blade. Did you break your nail?
Almost.
So the reason why I wanted to go ahead and get this video done is I wanted to get it out to y'all, but I also wanted to get the video done so that Hesper could wear them tomorrow. Trent's not going to wear these. They're way too big for him. He can't wear them.
You can just put them on for a picture. Put it on and take a picture.
Well, yeah, for a picture, but these are just way too big for him. This is a 6. He's probably actually a 3.
He's just 3 more sizes higher.
Yes, I know. All right, we'll see. So I mentioned the other kind of crap women's Jordan 11s that most people think are crap. If you like them, that's great. I'm not trying to dog on you, but I think this isn't quite like that. But Jordan 11 highs, they don't come out that often, and if it's just a general normal-ish colorway, it seems like you got to get them. So I'm glad that she wanted these anyway. She has the 2018 Concords as well. So she has the 2018 Concords. We have these. We have several pairs of lows, but I'm thinking of the other highs. Now I've got the Gratitudes. I've got the 2018 Concords and the Legends 2016 or 15, whatever they were, that are right back there behind this mountain of boxes. I think that's all the Jordan 11 highs I have. I wouldn't mind another pair of 2018 Concords, even though I've got I will have 2 pairs of Gratitudes, and I wouldn't mind another pair of Legends because they're both a little dirty. And Cool Grays. We both have Cool Grays too.
Yeah.
And,
From 3 of you.
Yeah, Trent has Cool Grays too, and I've got another pair of those that I haven't worn too. So those are the Jordan 11 highs we have. Jordan 11s are definitely my favorite silhouette. Not my favorite silhouette to wear because
just like like your favorite silhouette to look at.
And they mean more to me. I actually think I prefer wearing 3s the most. They're the most comfortable and just the most wearable in general. Maybe once I wear these Gratitudes, I'll feel a little different, but as far as the other 3 highs that I have, I would rather, it's just easier to wear a low, a Jordan 11 low. It's easier to wear these or these. These hurt my toes a little bit, but these are okay. Just easier to wear. It's just more wearable, like comfortable to wear, I think. Not that a Jordan 11 isn't comfortable. It's just like, it's high, you tie it, untie it when you put it on, but whatever. I'm definitely gonna wear those. Hopefully we'll get a picture for y'all tomorrow, but it won't be in the Gratitude video because I'm gonna edit the Gratitude video, upload it today so I can publish it tomorrow. What else do we have to say about this? I have one more newish that I just bought pair of shoes I need to make a video on, and then all this old stuff that's been sitting down here that I need to make videos on. What's in this box? We'll see. All right, y'all. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching the video. Smash the like button. If you like the Neapolitan, smash the like button. If you like Hebrews 13:5, the God will never leave us or forsake us. Tell your grandma about the Neapolitan and Hebrews 13:5. Comment down below if you went for these, if you got them. Was it worth it? And I'll see y'all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes.
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.